church dress, or even just the perfect dress to throw on when you have an event or function where you don't know what to wear. It is so freaking cute. I'm loving the gingham print. The fit is everything. It's smocked where we want it to be, so it's very stretchy, roomy, comfortable. And then you have the nice flowy bottom here. I am absolutely loving it. The cutie little puff sleeves here. This one comes in this brown color. It comes in a blue. And then you also have a gorgeous polka dot. I think I'm going to go back for that one next. They are all just...
Two-piece. Self-tie padded small. Ayan. Self-tie padded small, 249. Pabakal-bakal rare avocado. Code ng 33. 33 ang code, 33. Size small, textured small, 249. Code 33. 33 ang code. Thank you sa follow. Code 33, code 33. Okay, next. 3-in-1 extra large na pa shorts. 3-in-1. Self-tie padded textured. Parang pa-lace ruffles. Ayan, yung top. Self-tie bottomesa. Extra large, 299. O, code dito ng 56. Code 56, code 56. Extra large 3-in-1 pa short. Code ng 56. 299, code ng 56. 3-in-1 pa shorts, extra large. Tap share. O, extra large 3-in-1. Extra large 3-in-1 pa mini skirt. Bakal knitted. Knitted yung tela. Padded tube close likod. 249. 249 3-in-1 extra large. Code 9. 9 ang code 9. Extra large 3-in-1. 249 pa code 9. 3-in-1 extra large. Code 9. Ganda sis. Knitted crochet yan sis. 249 lang. Okay, next. Next. Tube dress, walang pads. Beach dress. Nasa back ni Red, yung beige, 199, large. Size small. Small ba to? Beach dress, mini dress. Pwede pang cover up, pang outfit. Ayan, 349. Size small, tube dress pa bakal textured. Dress lang siya sis, dress. Pang beach cover up. Code ng 1. Code 1, code 1. Size small, 349. Code ng 1. Mini dress, code ng 1. Hindi carry sa bottomesa, baka maluwag sis. 30-31 sa waist. Yung beige. Next song, Boho Boho, rare song extra small. 199 extra small. Padded underwired, lock likod. Ruffles. Extra small, 199, code 23. 23 ang code, 23. Size extra small, rare song, code 23. 199, code 23. 3K tap sa likod. 3K tap. Wala dito. Hanger ko na siya, B. Ganda pala nito. Nasa mannequin medium. Medium si mannequin 299. 3K tap. Okay, next. Silk tela, size small. Embroidered fabric, small padded pachup, tali likod, 199. Code ng 12. 12 ang code 12, 199. Code ng 12, rare sung. Embroidered silk yung tela, code 12. Size small, code ng 12. Tap, share. Tap, share. Size medium rare, high waist. Medium, padded underwired, lock likod. 149, code 5. Code 5, medium 149, code ng 5. 5 ang code 5, 149, underwired. Pa-code 5. 5 ang code 5. Okay, next. 2-in-1, one piece, padded halter with cover up. Size small. 249, size small. Halter padded, may beads, may pabakal. One piece siya sis na rare. Tapos may kasamang cover up, skirt na rare din. Ayan. 249 small, code ng 6. Code 6, size small. Pa-code 6. Code 6, size small, pa-code ng 6. 2-in-1, one piece with cover up, code ng 6. $249. Code 6, 249. Code 6. Crochet dress ulit, 399. Size 2XL. Crochet dress. Cover up, 2XL, 399. Code ako ng 33. Code 33, 2XL beach cover up. 399, pa-code ng 33. Size 2XL. Ganda sis. Ang gaganda ng plus size. May extra small yung small kanina nito. Magkano to ulit? 199. Padded underwired, lock likod, pabakal. Extra small, 199. Code ng 19. 19 ang code, 19. Extra small, pa code 19. 199 pesos rare sue. Code 19. Next. 3-in-1 yellow. Size small. Padded, tali-tali likod, may pabulaklak. Red mannequin, 299 medium. Ayan. Size small, textured tela, pastel yellow, may bulaklak. 249. Size small, 249. Code ng 41. Code 41, code 41. 3-in-1. Code ng 41. Size small. 249, code 41.